loves, welcome back to my channel. So yes y'all, I am officially back. If you guys noticed, I was on a 2-week hiatus. It was supposed to be a vacation for a week, and yes y'all, life happened, God happened, things happened. So it wasn't really a vacation, and I'm kind of backed up now when it comes to wigs because my laptop had went out shortly after I had posted my last video. And so yes, my laptop was at the computer doctor for a week, and then I went on a supposed vacation to Virginia to go to my best friend's housewarming, and that wasn't really a vacation either because we worked, and we worked very hard. And so yes y'all, I am back, hopefully better than ever. I have a slew of wigs that I need to get out to you guys because man, I'm a little bit behind. But yes, if you guys can see this first wig right here, let's jump quickly into all these deets. Okay love, so this wig comes from SAMSBEAUTY. They were kind enough to send your girl another wig, and so yes y'all, I picked this one out. You guys know when I work with SAMSBEAUTY, I actually get to pick my own wigs, and so y'all, this is another winner, another banger for the springtime, summertime. I am feeling it. So let's jump right into all of the specs of this wig. So this wig is from Sensationnel, and it's from their Supermodel series. It's their Swiss lace silk base lace frontal wig. It's 100% human hair and hybrid mix. It has a 3XL Swiss lace parting area that is 6x4 parting, which is right up here, and it is in the style Natalia. That's what I think it is, Natalia. And it's in the color T427. And so yeah, I think that's pretty much all of the specs that's on this card. As usual, I will do an unboxing of this wig, and you guys will see it if you guys stay tuned. So you guys will see what the cap construction is like, as well as the color up close and personal, and then what it looked like before I did my own special touch, which was using the baby hairs that came with the wig. I did cut some of the baby hairs. Anytime you get baby hairs with a unit, sometimes they're longer than the baby hairs that you actually need. So I always cut whatever baby hairs they give me, I usually cut them in half. So that's what I did right here. These are not my baby hairs. These came with the unit. And then I put mineralized skin finish in the parting space and cut off the lace, and that is it. Y'all, I didn't even brush this wig out. Like, y'all see these curls? I did not brush this wig out because I love the curls, I love the pattern of the wig already, and I love the softness of it all. So like, I definitely notice when there's just a synthetic wig and then when there's a hybrid mix, you can definitely notice the softness, and that's what I'm loving about this wig. So on top of the fact that I'm loving how it is going with my skin complexion, if you guys see, some of my favorite wigs that I have worn on my channel are usually this kind of mix. So it's the 27s, it's the 30s. As long as it has a dark root, it blends flawlessly with my skin. Y'all, so I'm loving this wig. I'm feeling it. It is definitely at the top of my list as far as my favorites this year. It's an A++ for me. I love how natural the part looks. Like, even before I put the mineralized skin finish, it still looked natural to me. And I'm just feeling it. So you guys let me know if you're feeling it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.